How are you all? I hope you are doing extremely good. So today let's solve this problem from the LeetCode contest. Find the longest equal subarray. So first let's understand the problem statement. So you are given a zero indexed integer array nums and an integer k. A subarray is called equal if all of its elements are equal. Note that the empty subarray is an equal subarray. So if the subarray is an empty, then we can say that it is an equal subarray. And we to return the length of the longest possible equal subarray after deleting at most k elements from nums. Suppose we have 2, 2 and 3, 4, 2, 2. So if we want to delete 2 elements, at most 2 we can delete, and we have to find the most number of equal elements. So if we delete 3 and 4, we will get a subarray of 2, 2, 2, 2. So we can say that the answer is 4. If the at most elements are k is equals to 1, then 2, 2, 3, 4, we can remove at most one element. So either we can remove this or remove this. If you remove this, we have maximum 2. If you remove this, we have maximum 2. So we can't increase the length of the equal subarray. So this is the most important thing. At most k elements. A subarray is a continuous possible empty sequence of elements within an array. So here you have given example 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3 and k is equals to 3 here is given. So maximum we can remove k elements and we should find the length of the longest subarray which is equal. So if you want to remove 3 elements, we can remove 2, 1 and 1. So we will get 3, 3, 3 as our longest. So our answer is 3. So if you observe this, so he's saying subarray. So mostly subarray solutions are solved in order of n square, but if you see the time complexity, 10 power 5. 10 power 5 means hardly we can do order of n or order of n into log n. So subarrays and everything. Let's think about a sliding window. How gonna sliding window? Okay, we'll take I and j. Let's see how many equal elements are present in this. How we can calculate? We want a map to get the most frequency elements. From the map, we will subtract all the remaining elements. How we can subtract all the remaining elements? J minus I plus 1. We can subtract all this. We will calculate the first total elements, then we will subtract maximum frequency element. Here, if this element is less than k, then we can say that okay, I to j is a valid subarray. So I will say that mf will be my answer, most frequency element. If it is greater than k, I will increment I and I will decrement in the map. So let's observe. I will explain you when walking through the code. So here you can function and we have size and we are storing map. So if I to j, we will store all the elements from I to j, m of j plus plus m of j plus, and here we are getting the maximum frequency. Suppose if it is 0, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, here the maximum frequency would be 3. And how we will calculate the remaining elements? Suppose I is here and j is here. How j minus I plus 1, we will get total number of elements minus maximum frequency is 3. We will subtract 3. And if that remaining elements are greater than k, if this is greater than k, we can say that okay, our sliding window has exceeded the size. So I will increment I here. So we are incrementing I and we are decrementing the frequency, and from here we are calculating the max. So suppose if it is not 0, if it is 3, our frequency till here would be 4, but if we decrement this, our frequency would be 3. mf will be converted to 3. From here we will calculate the max remaining elements. If still the remaining elements are greater than k, still we will we will continue doing these operations, or else we will take the maximum. Answer equals to max of answer comma maximum frequency. We required only the maximum frequency, not the number of elements, and we will return the answer. So what would be the time complexity? Here we are here j is going to 1 to n, and I is also in various class it go to 1 to n. So my time complexity would be order of n plus n. My space would be order of n because I am using an unordered map. So thank you for watching, and if you understood the solutions, please like and do subscribe to my channel. So if in every LeetCode contest I will post the solutions, and thank you for watching.